YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Kels, and today I'm bringing you guys another reaction video. And today's reaction is going to be on Fetty Wap flip phone. This video just dropped yesterday. I'm kind of late on it, but I'm not subscribed to Fetty Wap or anything, and I don't really check for his music that much anymore. But like 2015, Fetty Wap, that was my dude, bro. I rock with Fetty Wap so hard, bro. But nowadays, it's like so many artists to listen to, man. I kind of got off of the Fetty Wap wave, but he's still a great artist. He's still dope. I still like a lot of his music, and it's kind of sad though, like his numbers aren't as good as they were last year. Like, he's not pulling in millions and millions of views like he was. I guess his hype sort of died down, and I don't know, but Fetty Wap's still dope though. I might start listening to him heavy again because I still like him. It's just but we're gonna check out this new video he just dropped, flip phone. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
That chain pretty dope.
Yeah. Zooey. Yeah. I just wanna bone my niggas. I'ma stack it on to the ceiling.
Yeah.
I went did it right, but I'm famous. Now I know they all understand me.
Hey. Woo. Okay. Oh, look at that car.
I got homies from the zoo going party. I got candy for the Lord that will let go. Dropping so police don't put me on.
Yeah.
Niggas know we gon' go until it's over.
Ooh.
Mama said she
Yo, this song hot, I ain't gonna lie.
stay alive and stay emmed up until I'm over. Zooey Zoo, I got that island on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Bitch, I'm Zooey, I go Zooey on my low.
He need to drop more bangers like this. This song is a banger, bro. Like, I ride to this, everything.
I'ma send this man to the sky. I just need a couple grams of a pie.
Yeah.
I only need a little, not a lot.
Hey.
Bitch, I can tell your spot to a block.
What?
Yeah, bitch, my chef can make it sizzle up a pot.
Oh.
Hey, my homies, they get grizzly with the Glock.
I want that car, man.
Second bitch, he never stop.
Yeah, knit the grid, okay.
Run up, I'ma attack it with the goons. Yeah, bitch, dog, gotta eat with a fool. Yeah, bitch, dog, I'm a beast, you a shrimp.
Yeah. What? Woo. Oh. Yeah. Look at him jigging in the studio though. Fetty Wap is shining, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. Got the Robin Jean hat on. Oh. Hey, beat so cold, man. This beat so cold. Got that ice up on my neck. Got my neck so froze. Hey, I pull up on the scene in that all black robe. Like, oh, man. Yo, that video was dope. That song was dope. It was catchy, too. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like this song gonna do good. It got 158,000 views right now. I can see this hitting over 1 million easily. This song is catchy. The beat is dope. It's something you can ride to. It's something you can probably bump in the club somewhere. It's a banger. I like this song, bro. Fetty Wap did his thing on here. But that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you all enjoy. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit that like button. Comment on what you want me to see, what you want me to react to next, and subscribe for more content. I'm out of here.